Here is my Walmart haul. I'm not quite sure on the total yet. I'll have to put it up on the screen. But this is the remainder of my groceries that I'm going to need for mostly the month for my family of 6. The only thing that isn't up here on the table is a big box of diapers and a big box of wipes. But those also come out of my grocery budget. So just imagine there's a big thing of diapers and a big thing of wipes up here that's going to last me the month. The rest of my household items that I needed were some face wash, just hygiene stuff. Needed a pack of batteries for some of Colt's toys. I did get 100 paper plates just to have on hand for those summer nights or maybe some lunches or something. I also needed some sponges. I don't have to buy these that often, so I got another thing of those. We're gonna head right into like lots of lunch stuff. I left a lot of things in bags because I have to carry these down into my basement in my chest freezer, and they're all the same thing. So I got 3 bags of 2-pound bags of tater tots. So we have 6 pounds of tater tots here total. Each bag will pretty much be a meal unless we're using it for a lunch during the week when my husband's at work or something. Then we'll probably get 2 or 3 meals out of it because it's just a side item. But I'm making tater tot casserole this month. That's going to take a whole bag. So a couple meals worth here. I also got a thing of lemonade, of course. We're going to need that. Hot summer days. And I needed some more coffee creamer. This is a ginormous bag of fish sticks. My kids love fish sticks. This is a 4-pound bag. It was $11. I think that's a great deal for this, and we'll be able to use this for the next couple of months and I won't have to buy it. 3 bags of 2 pounds frozen peas. Same thing as our tater tots here. These are for sides. We like to throw these in like every pasta salad we ever make. The kids like to eat them frozen. They're a great snack. Love them. Big bag of frozen broccoli just until the garden broccoli is coming in. I got 5 loaves of bread because I still have some left over from last month, so I didn't need quite as much this month. Big old watermelon in here. Of course, gotta have the goldfish. This is like the ultimate boat snack. So we gotta think of goldfish. Couple bags of tomatoes. Once again, just until the garden's coming in, but that's not gonna be probably until late July. So we got a minute on garden tomatoes. 2 things of whipped topping. I need one of these for a recipe, one of these. We like to make homemade popsicles with the kids, and we put this in popsicles. We'll throw it on top of maybe like shakes that we're doing or something this month, and I like these because I'll just throw them in the freezer, pull them out when I want them, and then we'll have whipped cream. Pudding, I needed the vanilla for a recipe, so I got 2 boxes of vanilla and then 2 things of chocolate. We put that with whipped cream and we make homemade fudgesicles. I have a YouTube short on that if you want to see that. It's super simple, but my kids love it. I got another box of these ices. If you watch my Aldi haul, I already got a box, but we'll have 2 boxes now. There are 80 pops in each box, so we're gonna be loaded. Hopefully for summertime, but this will be great. Cousins will come over, and I'll just be able to have freezies when the kids want them. Big thing of sour cream. I did get 2 things of French onion dip. This is the ultimate summer snack, and I only allow myself to buy this during the summertime because otherwise I'll just fly through this stuff. It's so good. It's my favorite snack of all time. I ordered chips, but my order said that they didn't have them in store and they didn't substitute them with anything, so that's okay. I will just go to like my local dollar store or something and buy a couple bags of chips for these. So not a problem. I only got 1 bag of cuties. My kids have been slow on the cuties and the apples lately, so if I need more, I'll go back, but I didn't want to get a ton and then them not eat through them like they kind of have been, so I went heavier on bananas. We got, I'm pretty sure this is 15 bananas, and then whatever the kids don't eat, or my husband and the kids don't eat, we'll make into banana bread or breakfast muffins or something like that. So these will all be used, or they'll go in smoothies. We will see. Bag of onions. Onions looked terrible at Aldi. Big old thing of peanut butter. Needed this for a couple recipes. We bake with this all the time. And of course, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches are a staple, so needed some of that. I got 2 cans of this nacho cheese. We are doing nachos one day this month for dinner, and really I only need 1 can, but we also have tortilla chips, so we could just dip this in tortilla chips for a snack or something. We'll find ways to use that. I needed Dijon mustard for a couple marinades that we're doing this month. 2 things of soy sauce because we go through a ton of this with marinades. I did get a thing of miniature corn dogs. This was a request for the kids for lunches, so we got that. 2 block things of cream cheese. I keep cream cheese in my freezer and I'll use that when I bake, or when I'm cooking rather, like in a recipe. But I needed some of this to make frosting, and I needed some to put in recipes I'm bringing to a barbecue, and then of course spreading on bagels that we got at ALDI. So I also needed orange juice for a couple marinades that we're doing this month. I'm pretty sure with some fish, and then whatever else we need the kids will just drink. Of course, gotta have the kettle corn. This is a great coming home from the park snack. Pop a thing of popcorn. The kids can munch on some popcorn while I'm getting lunch ready or whatever. Come in from running in the sprinkler in the afternoon. The kids want a snack while they watch a movie and hang out for a little bit. Popcorn. So got a thing of kettle corn for that. We always get 2 big bags of cereal for the month. I got these like knockoff honeycomb ones. We're gonna do a couple homemade trail mixes or Chex mixes, and I thought these 2 cereals would go the best in those, so I got those. I also got Fruit Loops. This was another request. The kids wanted blueberry muffins. I make all my other muffins from scratch, but I can't find a recipe that's as good as this, so that for now. Just 1 thing of ramen. I still had a couple boxes left over from last month because I tried to stock up, so just 1 more to keep everything stocked, and that is the entirety of my Walmart haul for the month of June. If you want to see the entire grocery haul, because I'm sure you're seeing gaps, there's literally no protein in here whatsoever, check out my ALDI haul, check out some of my freezer tours, because we buy our meat in bulk. My husband is an avid outdoorsman, so all of our roasts come from venison, all of our fish my husband catches, and then we buy our pork locally, and same with our ground beef. So that's why there's no meat here. We're just filling in, I guess other than the fish sticks and the corn dogs, if you want to count that as proteins. But if you want to see the entirety of my grocery haul for my large family of 6 for the entire month of June, first month of summer break, go over and check out my ALDI haul. That'll be linked down below. I also forgot, this is the very last thing we actually got. Walmart sells these year-round, but I only get them during the summertime. I'll get a box of these probably every month until the weather gets cold again. But it's 12 ice cream sandwiches, 12 ice cream bars, 8 chocolate dipped cones. You just come in their individual boxes here, but they all come in the big box. And these are like before bed snacks. These aren't like the ices that'll happen every day. These are fun snacks that'll happen maybe once a week or twice a week or something like that. We'll have these through the month as well.